right, man, let's get started. 18, it's really 18 and a 19. We're gonna take this fuel. All right, man. Just this up. Somebody had to come break my goddamn tripod. Nope. Yeah, go and see how fast you can drink the water. You gotta take a pause. I say 5 seconds. Oh man, that nigga deep throat that hole. Oh man, look, it's a 10, a 10, a 10, a 10, a 10. I'm gonna disconnect it. We're gonna pop these injectors out. So just keep up. Pry it up. Don't be scared. Pry the shit up. Get that feel real up. Unplug them. Slide the clip out, man. Pull down on the injector. It's that easy. Unplug it. That's the Mercedes injector. That's the Ford injector. When you pull the original injectors, make sure the O-ring is gonna be stuck inside here. So y'all gotta make sure y'all pull it out before y'all try to stick the new one in. See that O-ring? Go like that, O-ring at the bottom. Push the injector in, goddamn. That simple. Alright, make sure all your O-rings ain't stuck in the field ring. Make sure all your O-rings are on the tip and not stuck inside the end tank. Cause that'll fuck you up too. So all the ones I just took off, bam, O-ring, O-ring. I took all the O-rings out. Some W140. Plug right in. Boy, look at that. Ford. This is a Ford. Snap. Plug right in now. Y'all come on, man. Man. Work smarter. Next. Fresh out the plastic, boy. Whoever this is, Motion Plus. It's made in China. How your boy say China? That's the part number if y'all need all that shit. Interchange. Come on, man. Y'all need that. Y'all need that. Oh, I didn't have no check engine light on neither before. Online, they said these injectors cause your shit to run rich. So it may make a light come on. It's gonna run rich because here you got four injector holes, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna burn more gas You might burn more gas. Got an exhaust leak because I lost a bolt for the exhaust clamp. I need 2 bolts to only put 1 on there. There's a little gap. Fine right up. But oh yeah, I jacked it up because I got this exhaust leak. I think it's coming from here. Hold on. It sounds like that noise coming from the transmission. Not the motor. See, it's getting louder right here. That's why I never really paid it no mind, because I said, that's the transmission, ain't the motor making that noise. That exhaust leak, shit. Yep, right here. I feel it. It ain't tight enough. I need to tighten this shit up. 12. Yeah. that's it on this video. I did my injectors. Tightened up my goddamn exhaust. That's really it, man. Y'all just, you know what I'm talking about? Oh, I want to let y'all know something else. I took my fuel filter off. I did my fuel pump. If you're having any kind of storage problems, you want to kind of figure out where it's coming from. So that's what I did. I had to figure out why my motor wasn't getting gas quick enough. So I deleted everything to get more gas to the motor quick, you know? The quicker that gas can get to the motor, the more power, and the faster it can circulate through that fuel rail, then the better your shit gonna run, you know what I'm talking about? So, yeah, my cats, I chopped them hoes off because they was clogged up. That was in my other video. They was clogged up, but I didn't know. That's why I took my fuel filter off. I said, well, shit, I need to figure out what the fuck going on. So that's just what I did to my car. This run great. Ain't no check engine light on, ain't no nothing on. Them injectors I did because I just wanted new injectors, and I wanted to see if the Ford injectors would really fit a Mercedes-Benz, and showing up, they do. No problem so far. When I drive it home, I'm gonna let y'all know how it drives, and we'll go from there. Shit. But yeah, I did delete the fuel filter and just went straight fuel pump, you know. That's less restriction. But I'm gone, man.